back to my channel. Today I have my winter box of style that I want to share with you all. And this is the quarterly subscription box from Rachel Zoe, where you get all kinds of beauty, skincare, household items, just like random things, along with fashion and jewelry. You just really do get a great assortment of items in this subscription box. So if you want to see what came in my winter box of style, then keep watching. It actually took a little bit longer for my box of style to get here this time. They even sent out an email saying that they had like such a large number of people ordering that they were kind of like running behind on their delivery schedule. So I got this like right before New Year's, like maybe New Year's Eve or something like that. It came in, which was perfect because I already knew the items that were coming in this box, and I really wanted to use one of them on New Year's, so I did do that, and it worked out really well. So I was happy that I did get it in time for New Year's. But I did still want to share with you all what came in this winter box, and also kind of give you my thoughts on the subscription itself and if I'm going to continue to use it in the new year. So we have the box right here. Like I said, I did already open this a little bit just to use one of the items I was really wanting to wear for New Year's. So we're just going to dig right in. We have the little pamphlet that they always give that tells you exactly what you're getting, discount codes, just different things of that nature. It gives you a little bit information about the brands that are in here, so we'll kind of go through this as we're going through the product. So the big ticket item, I believe this time, was actually this purse, and that is what I wanted to wear for New Year's. So it's in this box here. Actually, I put it back. I only used it the once. And you got your choice of 2 different colors. It's making a lot of noise, sorry. So this was the purse that we got this winter box, and you had your choice of black or white, and I went with the white because I own a lot of black purses, but I don't really own anything quite like this. I thought that this was such a gorgeous piece. I loved the like marbling white and the gold detailing. It just screamed New Year's to me and like winter parties. So I really wanted to wear it for New Year's, and I did, and it worked out really well. Complemented my outfit perfectly. So you just open it up by like pushing back this latch here, and it's nice and large. I was able to fit quite a few items in here, but it is kind of space restrictive, but it is a clutch. It's not meant to bring, you know, everything with you. They are detachable, so you can take off the chain if you just want a clutch. I used it with the chain on, you know, hands-free all the way for me. I would much rather not have to carry around the clutch like that, so I just wore it, you know, on my shoulder. Like I said, this did come in 2 options. You got the white or the black, and you were able to pick ahead of time what you wanted, and I picked the white. And this clutch is actually from Rachel Zoe, so it was designed exclusively for this box, and it retails for $115. So you're getting a pretty nice box. It feels well made. A nice box. You're getting a pretty nice clutch here. It feels well made. You can take it out with you at night and not have to worry about it falling apart or something like that. Typically, every box we get a piece of jewelry, and so far I've really enjoyed all of the jewelry that I've received in the box of style. They always are right on trend, and I still wear them. I've gotten some in boxes like 2 years ago that I still wear. I really enjoy their jewelry. And this time we got some earrings from House of Harper, which is the, well, House of Harper 1960 to be exact. And this is the line from, what is her name? Nicole Richie. These are pretty nice, substantial. These are kind of like Art Deco earrings in my opinion. They are gold with all of these rhinestones, and these are really lovely earrings that I think are also fantastic for the party season. I was a little bit bummed that all of this came a little bit later. I couldn't really wear it into any holiday parties because by that time the holiday parties had kind of ended. But these will be a staple for sure in my wardrobe. They're gorgeous earrings. They have nice shine to them. I like the structure, the sort of geometric shape of them. They are just really cute, eye-catching earrings. Like I said, this is the line from Nicole Richie, and these earrings actually retail for $115, so they are pretty nice earrings. They're not super cheap. They feel very well made. They're pretty like substantial. I think you might have a little bit of problem if you have ears that are sensitive to like heavy earrings. You may want to get one of those like earring, I guess they're like ear savers, you know, where you put them in your ear with the earring, and it just gives a little bit more structure to your ear for your earrings to not like rip through your ear. I don't know. If you know what I'm talking about, you'll definitely want to invest in a pair of those because these are heavier earrings. So there are 2 beauty items that came in this box, and the first one I completely forgot I also used this product, and this is the eyeliner that came in this box. This is the Sex Kitten by Tarte eyeliner, and I actually used this as well because I was really curious how it worked, and I just like ripped it out and used it. So I actually threw away that box already, but this is an eyeliner that has a really nice tip to it that you can get a really nice line. I used it a couple of times. I want to say I used this on New Year's as well, and I was able to get a really nice cat eye, and this was really dark and black, and it lasted all night. It didn't bleed on me or anything, so I was really pleased with this eyeliner. And like I said, that eyeliner is from Tarte, and it retails for $20. The next item that came in this box was something that I just really was not excited about at all. I had to be perfectly honest. When I saw it in here, I was kind of like, I don't see myself ever actually using it. And it's a fur stole scarf, I guess. Not same thing, right? I don't know. And this retails for $85, and this is faux fur, and it's from the brand Unreal Fur. And I live in Texas, and while typically, I mean, lately it's been really cold, but typically it's just not that cold. And I just don't see myself ever really wearing this. But then what I did was I went onto Instagram and I looked up some photos of different people styling fur scarves, and I found some really cute ideas. So I may try it out, but this item just was not like the biggest attention grabber in the box for me. So this is what it looks like. It is just a fur scarf. Let me try and put it on. I mean, it looks really nice. I don't know when I will ever get use out of it. It's very soft, I will say that, and I'm sure it's very warm. I don't foresee myself really using this. Maybe if I lived in a colder climate, I would use it a little bit more, but yeah. I was a little disappointed about getting this one in the box. The next item we have is an oil. This is from the brand Osea, and this is their Essential Hydrating Oil. So this says that it is a vegan and cruelty-free oil, and it's great for applying on your face after cleansing, and also you can use it on your body. This retails for $68, and I haven't tried this out yet, but I will give it a go. I definitely love using oils. I don't mind getting another oil at all. I use them at night as my last step in my skincare routine. It just adds an extra layer of hydration, especially right now in the winter time. So the last item that we got in our box of style was an agenda. This is what it looks like. I actually really do like this. When I saw that this was coming in the box, I actually wasn't very excited because I thought it was more of like a flimsy notebook, but this is actually a very substantial agenda, and I hadn't bought one yet for this year. But it's really cute on the inside. You can see that it has all of these polka dots and all of the gold foiling lettering. It's just really nicely done, and I needed a new one for this year, and I'm actually very happy to get this. The cover of it is like a black material, canvas type material, so I think it'll stand up really well to abuse that I will put it through, and I actually am pretty excited for this one. This is from the Sugar Paper brand. And it retails for $48. So since I'm a yearly subscriber, I pay for the full year at one time, and I've been subscribed since the very beginning. I also tend to get an anniversary gift every year. I'm not sure if they do this for everybody or just like the original subscribers or the yearly subscribers, but This year I got a really cute little box of gummies that are soaked in rosé. So it says rosé all day, treat yourself to a glass of yummy rosé gummy bears made with rosé wine from Provence. And these are just super adorable gummies. I was really excited about this. I tried one, and they definitely have like a rosé taste to them. I didn't think that they were bad. You can kind of smell the alcohol in them. But I thought that these were really festive and fun and kind of cute. I liked that they came in our winter box. It was very like New Year's-esque. I actually was going to bring them with me to New Year's and I just totally forgot them. But I thought that this was a really cute little bonus item that we got in our box. Alright, so now we're going to break down the cost versus the value of the box, and also if I think that it's worth signing up for, and if I'm going to sign up again for this coming year. So the price of this box is, if you are on a yearly plan, it costs me $350 a year, which ends up being around like $87, $88 a box. And then if you were to buy each season individually, it runs you $100 a box. Now they guarantee you at least $300 value of products in your box, and I have never been disappointed in that fact. They always do hold true to their value of the boxes. This time the box worth was like $450, so it is an amazing value, especially if you're buying it on the yearly plan. So I will say that I'm not always 100% happy with all of the items that come in here, but I do think that the good items outweigh the ones that I would never use. And I just think that it is a really nice way to try out new products that you've never heard of before, maybe that you wouldn't buy on a normal basis on their own. And at the end of the day, I think I will re-sign up for this coming year. I don't know if it's one of those things where I just have like a serious case of FOMO that I'm gonna like miss the next box and it's gonna be amazing and I'm gonna be like, damn it, I should have never, you know, unsubscribed to that service. But I think at the end, it's definitely worth it. It's $350 for a year, which seems like a lot of money, but when you break it down between all of the items that you get, you know, I think it's worth it. There are other boxes out there like FabFitFun, which I don't subscribe to, that are probably, you get more in your boxes for less, but I feel like the products that you get in the Rachel Zoe box of style are just a little bit higher quality, and you know, you're paying for that little bit more of the luxury item in your boxes. That's just my opinion, and I don't know, you guys may subscribe to this and FabFitFun, and I'm sure FabFitFun is a great box as well, and I've actually looked into ordering it, but I kind of just said I don't need any more boxes. At the end of the day, I think it's just what you're looking for in a box. If you're willing to spend a little bit more money, then I think that the Rachel Zoe box of style is great, and you should definitely go ahead and check it out. Now, I will say that you do get coupon codes most of the time with all of these products, so I will link all of those coupon codes down in the information box for you all to check out if you want to go and buy any. And I will also link where you can sign up for the box of style. Okay guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this and really liked getting to see what came in my winter box, and be sure to come back for my next video and give this one a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see y'all next time. Bye!